Welcome beauties, it's Jamila Michelle. I'm starting off with my faux bun and bank look. So I'll be starting by spraying my hair down and applying some gel to get it nice and sleek. So to achieve this faux bun and bang look, I'm starting off with some extensions I found in my closet. I'm going to go ahead and bobby pin those pieces in, and then I'll show you how I achieve my bang. So now I'm just securing those tracks into my bun area, and then from there I'm just going to twist and actually form my bun. Okay, so now I'm just taking another weft, pinning it right underneath that bun area so that it blends really seamlessly. From there, I'm just trimming up the bangs to the length that I like. And after that point, I'm going to go ahead and take my wand curler and curl up my bangs. Nice and pretty. So now I'm just taking my light brown eyeshadow from the James Charles Morphe palette and blending that color up into the crease. Taking some concealer, I'm just going to go ahead and start to cut my crease a little bit on both of my lids with some LA Girl concealer in Pure Beige. I actually was not sure what color to start with, so I'm just starting off with like a light glittery kind of color just to see how I like that, but I might change it. So now I'm just bringing in the corners with a dark red color to add a little bit more depth towards the end of the eye before I add this pop-in color. It's this pretty blue that I found in the James Charles palette, and I'm going to go ahead and put it in those corners as well. So for my inner corners, I'll be going in with a pop-in lime green, and then for my eyeliner and lashes, I'm going to be doing that off camera because it takes me a while to get it right, so don't kill me in the comments. So I'm using the Bright Banana Primer from Oliehenriksen. It's probably one of my favorites. From there, I'm just going in with my favorite foundation from NARS in the color Stromboli. Once that's all blended out, I'm applying my LA Girl concealer in the color Pure Beige right underneath the eyes, just eliminating any dark areas. From there, just blending it out, and I'm going to go in with my FENTY Matchstick in the color Suede to contour. Now that the contour is pretty much blended, I'm going ahead with my FENTY Banana Setting Powder, and I'm just going to set those areas where I applied my concealer just to make sure everything is seamless and smooth.
Come on, I used to run bass like Womp, yeah. Now I run the bass, hi-hat, and the snare. I used to bag girls like Perkin bags, now back beat. Well, you hurting that.
from here, I'm just blending out my setting powder. I love this setting powder because it makes my face look so flawless. I love it. But anyways, I'm going in with my Morphe bronzer in the color Warm just to bring some more color back into my face.
Compare nobody to you. Oh, I try to catch myself, but I'm out of control. Your sexiness is so appealing, I can't let it go. No, I can't get over you, 'cause everything I see is you, and I don't want no substitute. Baby, I swear it's deja vu. No, that I can't get over you, 'cause everything I see is you, and I don't want no substitute. Baby, I swear it's deja vu.
Right now, I'm just kind of buffing and blending, making sure everything looks pretty much to my liking. So for my lips, I'm taking some concealer in a lighter color. I want to say it's ivory as a base and going over it with an eyeshadow that I found in my James Charles palette. It's like a magenta color. To add some more depth to that lip, I'm going in with a darker purple. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I was very hesitant at this point, but I started to actually fall in love with the look, so I just kind of go all over with that darker purple.
Cause you gon' need help, try to study my bounce flow, blow. What's the difference? One you take it vein while the other you sniffing and still dope. Po, try to convict them, that's a no-go. My dough keep the scale tipping like foes, like I'm from the H-O-U-S-T-O. And blow, win, so Chicago of him, is he the best ever? That's the argument. I don't make the list, don't be mad at me. I just make the hits like a factory. I'm just one to one, nothing after me. No deja vu, just me and my
To avoid going inside the lip with the color, I'm going in with a gloss just to make it pop. So finally, I'm just completing the look with a highlighter from FENTY in the color Trophy Wife. From there, I'll be taking a Maybelline mascara and just applying a little on my bottom lashes.
Baby, I swear it's